Got a nice little rattle. Vitamin D3 for about a week now. Alright, so this is one way that I'm making money. It's probably the closest thing I have to a job right now because I can't even get background work. Yeah, I'm pitching stuff like testosterone booster and horny goat weed and things like that. I'm on JOINBRANDS. So if you're not familiar with JOINBRANDS is this online marketplace where you pretty much pimp yourself out to take selfies and pictures with random things you could buy on the internet, write reviews. You actually make decent money and get a lot of free stuff that I'll probably never ever use. I'm like this one, man. This is how good of an actor I am. So if anyone's interested in some of these things, I have a stockpile of random pills at the house that are, I don't take them unless I'm getting paid to take them. There's a few that be asking for reviews and, you know, and ask for like reels. So I actually got to like, you know, videotape myself consuming it and stuff. But yeah. You know, because the magnesium helps with like a lot of the bone health, heart health, some nerve health. And so, I mean, there's a few on my Instagram. So scroll down, JOINBRANDS. If you're interested, there's like a little side hustle. Not as much. I mean, I'm sure there's a lot of you guys that are way better than me at doing this, so you could probably make tons more, especially if you got like a larger following than I do. So I mean, it's always just go through the certifications, you know, show them your Instagram, show them your TikTok, show them that you could take this kind of pictures, that kind of video, an instructional, a how-to or whatever. And yeah, then you kind of just surf their site and let them know if you want to try to apply for a job, or they'll reach out to you. So I get a lot of like vitamin stuff that reaches out to me. I don't know, because I'm just like a handsome buff guy or something. So yeah, and I do most of my stuff at the park, especially if it's like a vitamin. I'll go to the park. I'll go to those like little greenfield exercise machines. I'll probably try to sell these pills off after, or I give it out to Christmas presents. And whoever ended up with cologne for the white elephant at Mark Labella's house, yeah, courtesy of JOINBRANDS. Yeah, so all I do, I just take out the shrink wrap and take pictures of it, because, you know, my previous job, I was pretty good at the product placement segments with like the ketchup bottles and sinigang packets and things like that. So look into it. Put my link right here, and then I'll also put my link in the caption. So give it a check it out, because you might be able to make a little side hustle cash off of it, especially if you're interested in that stuff. But yeah, so that's part of my Fun Employment Chronicles. It's some sort of employment that I actually am, because it's so little and it's so sporadic. I don't even think I have to report it to my homie EDD. So yeah, woot woot. $15 for some in the last 5 minutes, and they reimburse you for all this stuff. So if you're lucky, you could score stuff that you like actual like wireless headphones and, you know, useful things. I've been trying to score some archery. There's like random archery things, food stuff. But yeah. So check. I'll show you some. Best ones are the insoles, foot insoles. With naturally flat feet and father time finally catching up to me, I went to pick up some Pro Foot Triad orthotic insoles from Walmart. They came in a day, and this is what I got. They slip on very easily put them into my running shoes for this unboxing, and actually feels good. Doesn't feel like there's anything intruding, and I took them out for a nice little 30-minute 5K jog. Yep, feeling good so far. Back's feeling strong. Let's see what the critics say. Good insoles. Nice extra comfort, because yeah, man, older I'm getting, it's like the worse my back, my legs, my ankles. Plus I was naturally flat-footed, but I do run a lot. Too much around good. But you know, these puppies get nice little cushion. My back felt a little better postured when I was doing my little 5K run, so it's good. Those work really well. So yeah, check out joinbrands.com. It's pretty easy to sign up. You just go through the process, and yeah, I got some money saved up in there as well. So it's a good emergency fund that I don't recall. So yeah. In the meantime, Sladak testosterone booster. I don't really need this for me personally, but if you guys need it, that's you.